Hey RC Industries, so this is just a short video showing you some tips and tricks on how you can improve your online presence. So I'm going to start out by just going through your website and giving you some tips and things that you could do to improve it. So right now, your website is very beautiful. It's great like as far as design, but there are some things that you could do to help it be more optimized on Google. So you want to show up at the top of Google, right? When people are searching for contractors in your area. And one way that you can do that is Google likes to see about 1,500 words at least on the front page. And right now I would say you have maybe about 100. So we could add some words for you, or you could add some words yourself, of course. And then you also will want, if you go to these other screens, you're going to want lots of words on those as well. And so if we look here at your competitor, which is A&W Contractors, we can see that they do have some more words than you, but their design definitely isn't as good, and we can easily beat them out in the words department. They probably have about 200 right now. So that's one thing you can do. And then another thing that we look at in regards to the words are keywords. And so I have this tool, SEO Quake, and it just pulls the keywords that are currently on your site, and then it allows us to kind of see what we can change and what we might want to use more of. So right now on your site, your keywords aren't very relevant to what you're wanting people to see. So your keywords should be what someone is looking up when they're looking for you. Someone's not going to look up "and his crew" or "and his team." These look like they're from a review, potentially. So that's not generally what someone would look up when looking for a contractor in Chesapeake, Virginia, right? You want, contractor in Chesapeake, Virginia, that's a great keyword. Contractors near me, that's another good one. So things like that are what you really do want in your keywords, and you want to include that in your words in your page, and Google will pull those out and they'll be like, okay, they have those words. When someone looks up those words, I'm going to put them at the top. So that's kind of how that works. And if we look at your competitors' keywords, theirs aren't super great either, so it's very easy to beat them out in that aspect as well. The next thing that we take a look at is this Google Maps section. So I just looked up contractors in Chesapeake, Virginia, and the first thing that comes up is this map section. So there is this sponsored section, but after that, there are these organic searches here. So it looks like your top competitor is My Jack of All Trades Inc. for this. And so there's a couple different things that go into it. You want to have your Google map listing fully built out, lots of pictures, a description, things like that. And we do that. We also want to look at citations. And a citation is when your name, address, and phone number is listed on another website. So that's things like Yelp, Angie's List, Yellow Pages, a Better Business Bureau, all those sorts of things. And as you can see here, RC Industries, which is you guys, have 14, and then your competitors have 17. And we generally want to get at least 100 to 200 in this area. So if I take a look at it, we can actually see every single one of their citations, which is really awesome because we can at least get you the same as theirs really quick, right? And then we can obviously get you more. So yeah, we can pull the good ones that they have and then also get our own. And then the next thing that we look at here, besides this, you want to be coming up at the top here. And there are a lot of these, as you can see, Angie's List, Yelp, General Contractor Magazine. There's lots of those. But after that, the first one that did pop up was A&W Contractors. So if I compare you guys here, another way besides the words on the page and the keywords, things like that, are backlinks. And a backlink is when your website is linked from another website to your website. So when another website links to your website, you're like, okay, yeah, Google thinks that you have power. So right now you have 16 backlinks, and your competitor here has 115 backlinks. So we want to get you at least 100 more than them, up to 200, 250. And getting you those backlinks and building those up will allow you to rank above them. So, like I said, this is just a short video. It's just a few things that you could do, or we would be happy to help with among more things that we do to get you ranked at the top, get you more business, get you seen more easily, and also for people to just know what you're all about. So, like I said, this is Mallard Digital Marketing. My name is Claudia, and feel free to give me a call anytime at 910-725-8405. Have a great day. Thanks.